Hey everyone, I wanted to speak to you today about something very close to my heart. With ADHD and historically bad mental health over the years, chronic stress and a history of over-medicated antidepressants, painkillers, all sorts, it sent me completely out of whack. The one game changer and lifesaver that I tried myself and have got proven evidence works, although disclaimer, I'm not a healthcare professional. I have studied human nutrition and I do have evidence personally that this stuff really does help. So the thing about this is it's the stuff that we used to eat before refrigerators and processed foods came in. This is probably why we are so out of whack biologically at the moment. We're not eating enough of this stuff. It might not seem that sweet, and sometimes it does taste quite sour, bitter, and a bit funky, a bit potent, but it is so rich in beneficial bacteria that are so necessary to keeping us regulated. This stuff here is called fermented garlic honey, and doesn't it pack a punch? If you want to give this a try, obviously, if you have any issues with food, allergies, etc., please check into that before you even give it a go. But it is definitely one that I would recommend as a beginner. So the raw garlic itself contains antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory. It's got a chemical inside of it called allicin, particularly great for keeping your immune system boosted. And honey is rich in all of those antioxidants, which are beautiful for keeping cells healthy. So if you want to give this a go, all you need to do is get 2 ingredients and a mason jar. You're going to need around about 25 cloves of garlic and some proper good quality honey. Not that sugar crap that the supermarkets sell. It is parading itself as honey. It is not. So some really good quality honey. You're going to get your mason jar, crack your cloves and put your jar of honey inside of your mason jar. Fill it up. Make sure that your cloves are really well submerged. Put a lid on and just give it a shake. Then repeat that process over 2 weeks. Now, here's the caveat. With ADHD, you are going to need to remember to burp the jar every day. If you can't remember to burp the jar, get those burp jars, the automatic burp jars from Amazon. You can get those and that will help you if you don't think that you're going to remember. Because basically when those beneficial bacteria start to bubble away, it's going to build up gas and potential of explosion in your cupboard, and you don't want that. So 2 weeks later, after you've burped it and turned it, it should be ready to go. It's going to give you the boost that you need. It's going to regulate your energy. It's going to stabilize your blood sugar. It is going to be one of those things that you rely on of a daily just to give yourself what your gut really needs to keep you healthy. It's a life changer. Give it a go. And if you like this tip, let me know in the comments. I will happily do videos on kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. Just let me know. Take care. Thank you.